Hey guys, I'm Kristen and today is a Dollar Tree haul. Alright guys, so I picked up some really great things that I wanted to share with you guys that I'm going to be using for Valentine's Day and just a couple other videos that will be in the near future. Now I only buy things that I know I am going to use, so you guys will definitely be seeing these in videos, hopefully this month, if not next month. So Dollar Tree always has some really great frames, and the Dollar Tree that I went to this time around, it was so small, they didn't have a great variety, but I was able to still find some really great things. So these frames are $1.25 and I picked up 4 of them. I love these like distressed frames, so I also picked up this one. This one is a 5x7. And then they also had these like distressed ones. I thought these were actually really pretty. Even if you wanted to add actually like family photos in these, I think they look pretty high end. The quality is still Dollar Tree quality, but I mean, they're still really pretty. So I loved those. And now I'm definitely doing an old school Dollar Tree haul. I don't like to take my camera around and show a ton of things at my Dollar Tree and videotape. I just think it's so weird. Although I think this will be my 8th year on YouTube, being out in public and filming is just like, it's definitely just not my thing. So I just like sharing things that I'm actually going to use instead of impulse you to go and run to the store to buy a ton of brand new items. This one was honestly probably my favorite. It is this gold like chalkboard frame, and it does come off just like a regular frame, but I thought this one was really cool. Like I don't have to paint it, like it's ready to go. I can use Cricut, Chalk or whatever I choose to on here. I think this is honestly a steal, and they only had one at mine, or I probably would have bought a couple more. The necessities that I actually needed was sandpaper, so I just use this when I distress items, but I also grabbed a sanding block. It's gonna do the same thing for me, but I do like this because there is different like grit types of sandpaper. So I did grab this. You can get, it's like 80, 100, 150, 240, and 400. And I just like to have this on hand, and I did recently run out. Now these I have never seen at Dollar Tree is these ceramic trays. So I did pick up 2 of the circle ones, and then they did have square ones, and I picked up 2 of those as well. For Valentine's videos, I usually do, I want to say 3, maybe 4. So I did have to grab some items for that. So I grabbed 2 of these glasses. They always seem to have them at mine, and I just really like these. They remind me of like some fancy like hot chocolate type thing. So I did grab 2 of these. I grabbed a couple wood items for Valentine's Day. So I grabbed these. They have love and XOXO in them. So I just kind of grabbed these. My Dollar Tree barely has any Valentines out. And I went to, I want to say 2 different ones that I don't normally go to, and they also didn't have a lot of Valentines, but it's completely okay. Then it kind of made me buy less and come up with some ideas while I was there. I also grabbed this 8-pack of hearts. And I did grab 4 or 5 packs of these felt roses. I'm kind of hoping that they have different colors, but red was the only one that I saw. These were not Valentines, but they could definitely go for Valentines or spring. These tiny little crafting flowers. They are little paper flowers, and they had different colors. They had white and black and blue and pink. So I grabbed the pink ones. These are in my pile, so I'm just gonna share. This is super random, but I did grab some of these little fake sprinkles. These were on Amazon, and I'll link them down below, but I wanted to be ready just in case I wanted to go crazy with them. I also grabbed 4 of these wooden hearts. These are just in the regular crafter square section at Dollar Tree. Like I said, mine did not have very many Valentine's crafting items out yet. So I was just kind of figuring out and going with what I found and what I could find. I'm just really excited about starting a new holiday. I don't want to get into it yet, but I'm excited to see what I come up with. So when the time comes, it's going to be fun. I also have these foam hearts. I grabbed a couple of these. I used these in a project a couple years ago, and last year I was not able to find any, so I was excited to find these. I also grabbed some mason jars from Dollar Tree, and I think that it's always a great deal when you can pick up any sort of glassware from Dollar Tree because it is really really great quality. Also, they finally had moss back. So let me know in the comments below if yours has not had moss in a while. It has been months since I've been able to find this. I don't even think I found it around springtime, and I had to go to Walmart. But they have the floral moss, and I love this one. I think this one is probably my favorite one. So I did pick up a few bags of these just to keep on hand, because you just never know. Springtime's gonna come around, I'm gonna be using moss. I also grabbed this little tag sign. Now this says beach on it, so it must have been left over from the summertime, but I figured I would just flip it over and use the back side of this. Also, there's a couple Easter items creeping out at the store, so I did just grab 2 of these. So I grabbed some wooden egg ornaments, and then I also grabbed some little bunny ornaments. I know I have a few items from Easter left over from last year, so I wasn't sure if I had these, but I know that if they are coming out early, they are going to be gone so soon. So I just want to pick those up for a couple months down the road. Also, I do want to share, I went into Hobby Lobby because they had all of their Christmas items 90% off. I'm not going to share the Christmas items I bought because it's not fun. Like, I grabbed some picks, I also grabbed some bulbs, and I spent pretty much nothing on them, which was super exciting because picks are expensive when you want to make like a fun bouquet or add them to wreaths or whatnot. But I walked down like the farmhouse aisle and I seen the little orange tags, and I was shocked by the prices of these. So I grabbed this pig here. So like I said, these are from Hobby Lobby. This pig was 99 cents, regular $3.99. But I mean, I don't think I've ever seen anything for 99 cents unless it was broken at Hobby Lobby. I don't even think it was that price. I also found this little sign. This one was 74 cents. This sign was $1.74. And this one was originally priced at $6.99. And I do plan on redoing these. I think I'll probably keep the pig for a while until I want to do a spin of my own thing. But I figured for 99 cents, that was crazy. I found these thick little cutting boards, and these were 87 cents a piece. So I did grab 2 of these. And I like that they're thick, so they just kind of stand on their own. Like, these are like a really, really good quality. And the last thing I grabbed at Hobby Lobby was this little sign. It's funny because I always try to think like outside the box with crafts and stuff, and then I grabbed this piece, and then when I got it home, I realized it's literally just a piece of wood painted with some kind of, like, I could definitely be doing this with chalk couture on all kinds of wood. So it was kind of exciting to see this, knowing that like maybe I will end up making some fun signs this year with just little wood pieces like this. And this was 87 cents, regular $3.49. And I just wanted to share that, so in case you're going out to Hobby Lobby anytime soon, look for some of their clearance that is not holiday. Yeah, that is it for the video. I just kind of wanted to show my face on here too. I rarely do that anymore. I will hopefully get back into it. Sometimes I just talk and talk and talk, and it just doesn't stop. So my videos will end up being 5 minutes longer because I just ramble on. But if you guys like hauls and you guys want to see more of these, let me know in the comments below. I can't even say what I will be doing this year. I feel like everyone is so planned out, and they figure out a schedule, and they know what they're gonna do on YouTube, and they have all these fun things planned, and I am just here going with the flow. So I hope you guys also enjoy that. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, stick around and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.